am I in the middle? Alright, hi there, my name is Someone back with another video, right? So this is just gonna be a short update, right? So as you might have seen, I'm not sure how long have you been to this channel, like have you been around as a subscriber or something like that. My channel has has mostly focused on photography, videography, and that stuff, right? With the limited time that I have in terms of like focusing, bringing out content and whatnot, the amount of content I have and all that, you might remember a few years back, that was 2019, I had a podcast. I ran up until 2020 before we were hit by whatever is happening in the world right now, right? I had a podcast where I talked for an hour or two just about ideas, things I've been thinking about, what's happening in the world and all those things, just to like get my mind straight, right? You need like people or something where you can talk and make sure your head is thinking straight, right? Am I visible in this light? I'm not. Let me fix that. Alright, I'm not sure if it's better now, but I've taken this light and put it here. Let me put it like this. How's that? How is that? It was behind me there. Okay, now it's lighting my face. I think I look better now. I'm like usually very dark. Not usually, naturally dark. So I did this thing here. Alright, so as I was saying, I needed like a space to clear my head, right? So it was literally just talking to myself, just to clear things out. Test out ideas, see how good they work and whatnot. Well, recently I don't have that space, right? So most of my time is being taken out by schoolwork, some editing, and some gaming. I'm gaming like sometimes, no, not sometimes, almost daily, like an hour or two. PUBG, if you don't know PUBG, it's like this multiplayer shooting game or whatnot, right? So talk to like play with friends and all that, right? That's where I get most of my ideas out and whatnot, right? So recently, as I know and as I've said, that I realized that this thing of the YouTube channel, I don't think it's gonna make me money anytime soon or anytime ever, by the looks of things, right? So why don't I just do whatever I want, right? Because, well, anyway, it's not gonna like get me money or something like that. So I've been thinking about putting out all the content I wanna put, because I've been thinking also about creating other channels, but that's just gonna drain me, man. Like right now I'm running my channel, and then there is the Umkali Tribe channel. Not that I'm running it, but I'm involved with everything that happens with that channel. And then I'm running my Instagram, involved with the Instagram for Umkali Tribe, involved with my like model Instagram, and then my street photography Instagram. I have a lot of things to manage. I've tried TikTok. It's a nice platform, man, but damn, does it require a lot of time, right? You're producing content and then end up spending a lot of time consuming content and whatnot. I'm not sure, man. I'm not sure about that. So here's what I've been thinking. Recently, I saw this video by Baby Kim, right? I didn't know the guy. I only heard of him only like since he collaborated with Kanye West, because I'm a huge fan of Kanye West. I'm not a very deep level sort of hip hop head as they call themselves. I just enjoy hip hop. I love it. I play it. I think I play it's hip hop first, then Maskandi, or it's Maskandi, then hip hop. So it's just a mix of the two, right? I listen to that music. So I saw these music videos. I was like, man, damn, cinematography, is on another level, right? So I said, okay, why don't I make a video where I react to this sort of like cinematography and also the music, obviously, because I'm a fan, right? And like explain to you as a music video maker myself, right? How maybe certain things were done, like certain effects that I'm proud of and whatnot. So any like music video I find interesting, I can just react to it and share my insights as to how maybe I think they shot that scene or clip or something like that, and how I would have shot it or something like that, right? So just along those lines, I'm thinking of doing something like that. And then this you might not know, I'm doing tax here, tax honors. So I'm just doing this to make sure that I have a job next year. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pass. I've passed the first semester. Hopefully I pass the second one. Will try my best to do so. And I've been experimenting with data science and whatnot. I'll talk about it in another video, like analyzing data and whatnot. I found it to be a very interesting field, to the point that right now I'm doing machine learning on my own. Damn, is it an interesting subject. And then, man, is the maths involved. I thought there was no maths. Well, I like maths, I'm good at it. It's just that the last time I did it was like in January or something like that, when I was still doing computer science, which I didn't finish. I'm not sure if you know about that one. So yeah, I've been revising maths. Like this morning I woke up and did well, there's the exercise. No, it's not this, okay, it's this one. I woke up and did linear algebra. I was doing linear algebra this morning, just reminding myself of stuff that's going on before I take up a sort of a module, right, on linear algebra, before we dive deeper into machine learning. So I like that stuff, so I'm gonna try keep on, like I've already analyzed one data set, right? I'm gonna just keep on analyzing data set up until to a level I'm good enough to apply for an internship and hopefully get hired, right, by presenting those analyses that I've done, right? Obviously I'll talk about that in another video, like a full detailed sort of blend or plan, right, and as to what I've been doing, right? And then also I'm in love with comedy. You might not know, I'm not sure if you know. So I'm doing a lot of stuff for Umkalo Tribe, but I'm sort of a comedian myself, right? So I don't have any avenue to which I can like show off that or try to improve that at the moment, right? So I'm thinking, I thought TikTok would be the place. It's a nice place, but damn, man, does it take a lot of time. It takes a lot of time. I don't want to be consuming more than I produce, especially not on that platform. I'm more of a long form type of guy, so I'm gonna try to put like stuff like that on this channel as well. So things are gonna change a bit. It's not gonna be every day about my business of videography, photography, although I'm still one of the best in the world, right? So once you have something covered, right, like photography, man, hire me to take pictures of you or something like that. I know this stuff, I'm already covered. So what's the use at this point, right? I can try to like explore other stuff, see if there's any other stuff I can master. I'm still like very young. I read a lot as well. I'm not sure if you know that. A lot of books. So there's a lot of books I find interesting that I think like I can share with some people, but I never get the time to get my thoughts on those books straight so that I can like push them out as ideas or something like that. So I'm gonna try to do that as well, right? And that's gonna motivate me to end up finishing those books, because mostly I don't finish books. I read halfway there, I get the idea what they're talking about, then I'm done, right? What other aspects? But I'm gonna be pushing a lot of things here, so expect the unexpected. Expect the unexpected. A new movie directed by Caesar Somedes Bakova coming soon to a phone screen near you. Boom! Alright. That was bad. Alright. Okay, I swear, Lord Jesus, man. Okay, that's it. Let's talk in the next one. That's been it. So much, Peace.